In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple ledger in Microsoft Excel using an easy step-by-step layout. Start by setting up the structure of your worksheet. In the upper section of the sheet, enter the main ledger details, such as account name, date, description, and balance labels, and format those cells clearly so they stand out as input fields. This creates the basic framework for recording transactions. Next, create a tabular area where all transaction data will be stored. Add column headings such as date, description, debit, credit, and balance, then apply borders to the entire range so the ledger looks organized and easy to read. After creating the headings, select the full table range and convert it into an official Excel table by going to the Insert tab and choosing Table. Make sure the option indicating that your table has headers is checked, then confirm to create the structured table. Once the table is created, you can adjust the table's design to match a traditional ledger style. In the Table Design tab, remove the filter buttons if you don't want drop-down filters visible. Then improve readability by applying fill colors. Use one light color for the header row and another subtle color for the data rows. This makes the ledger clearer and more professional when entering or reviewing transactions. After completing the layout, your Excel ledger is ready to record financial entries and track balances in an organized way. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Excel tutorials for more simple and practical tips.